Hi everyone. Today I want to show you how to create a pre-recorded webinar or seminar using Zoom. Hi, I'm Trudy Rankin from West Island Digital, and this video is part of a series on how to get started using online tools that you need to help keep your business going and growing. There's three parts to this training. The first part is a little bit of prep that you'll need to do to get ready to do the recording. The second step is to actually record the video using Zoom. And the third step is accessing the recording once you've finished it. So in terms of the prep, what you need to do is to obviously prepare your PowerPoint slides or other visual material that you're going to use ahead of time. Have that all ready to go and have it looking amazing and lovely. The second thing you need to do is to know or decide where you want your files to be stored. These are the video files once they've been completed and compiled by Zoom. So you have a choice of two places. You can either put them on your computer, and you just need to know where on your computer you want them to be stored, or you can have them stored to the cloud, which is the space that Zoom has set aside for storing files when people hit record, whether they're using a Zoom meeting, when they're doing a Zoom meeting. So once you've decided that, then the next thing you want to do is you want to get on your computer, you want to close any programs or accounts that you don't want people to see. Because otherwise you might find it's a little bit embarrassing if you suddenly have a picture of your dog pop up in the background because you've got it set as your desktop image or whatever. It's up to you to decide what you want people to see or not while you're moving around and using your screen on your computer. So the last thing that you need to do, and this is really important, is that you do need to have a paid Zoom account in order to be able to record your webinar. You can have meetings using Zoom on the free account, but unfortunately you can't actually record. That's not a function that's available on the free account, so you will need to pay for an account. Now the pro account should be fine, and if you're going to be doing these kinds of things, the kinds of webinars on a regular basis, I highly recommend that you go ahead and get the pro account. If you going to be doing them live, then you need to pay attention to the numbers of people that you'll be having on your calls or on your webinars. With the pro account, lets you have up to 100, and that should be fine, certainly for what we're doing today. If you're just doing a pre-recorded webinar, you don't need to worry about that limit because it's just you. You're just going to be the one person on the account. So that shouldn't be a problem. So those are the three things in terms of being prepared. Have your PowerPoint slides or your visual material ready. Know where you're going to keep your files, and make sure that you have a paid Zoom account. So the next thing is to actually do the recording, and you're going to get into Zoom and you're going to hit record. So I'm going to just show you now how to do that. So you're going to click on the icon that lets you get going with that. I'm going to scroll right down to where I usually start mine. Click on that. Now the first thing you're going to notice is that there's a background image behind me that's different to what you saw before. What you could see before was my husband's side of the study. What you're seeing now is just a nice image of a building. I'll do another training tutorial on how to set up backgrounds in Zoom, but for right now we're just going to focus on how to record your video for your webinar. Now what you need to do next is you need to decide, or at least have thought about, whether you want your face to show in your video or not. So when you're pre-recording this, you can actually choose to not have your face show at all, or you can choose to have it show up. So once you've decided what you want to do, then that will dictate the order that you do things in. So this demonstration is I'm going to do it so that it shows you how to do it so you don't have to show your face. I know a lot of people are really uncomfortable with being seen on a video. It's something that you'll probably get used to in time, but for right now we'll just show you how to do it so that you don't have to show your face, so that people just hear your voice. So what we're going to do is, the next step then is to go down here to this green button where it says share your screen. You're going to click on share screen, and now you have to make a choice about whether you want to click on desktop or whether you just want to show them a PowerPoint recording or PowerPoint slides. So basically, if you click on desktop, The desktop one is people are going to be able to see everything that you do on your screen. Absolutely everything that you do on your screen. If you don't click on that one and you just want to show them just a PowerPoint, then you can just click on that wherever you will have had it. It'll show up. You'll have it open on your computer and you'll just be able to click on that. So I'm going to click on desktop. I'm going to click on share. I'm going to turn that off and I'm going to open up a PowerPoint presentation. Open a recent one. And as soon as you've got it open, you are going to be able to, you'll see it, you'll be able to see it. Then you want to go down and find out the place where you click on, the bit you click on to turn it into presentation mode. Click on that, turn it into presentation mode. And now people can only see what's there on your screen, plus they're going to be able to see you in a little rectangle here up in the corner. Now if you don't want to be seen up there in the corner, you're going to go over here, up here to where it says stop video, and you're going to click on stop video, and you can no longer see that, your face. Nobody's going to be able to see it. Okay. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go here to where the three little dots are, where it says more, just here at the very end on the right. Click on that. And now this is where you're going to choose between whether you're going to record onto your computer or you're going to record to the cloud. I'm going to click on record to the cloud because if you click on record to the computer, the files are really, really large and they're quite, depends on how much space you have to store them. But if you don't have a lot of space, I recommend that you record to the cloud because then it's not going to slow your computer down or make it difficult to use it. So I'm recording now to the cloud and I'll show you later how to go and retrieve that. Okay, now you've got your slides here and you're ready to go, you're ready to roll, you're ready to talk through your webinar, do the presentation that you want to give to people, and you can just either click on your screen to scroll through your slides, or you can use your up and down arrows just like you would in a normal presentation using PowerPoint. So once you've completed your presentation and you're ready to stop, if you don't want to be seen, you're going to go back to this one here and you're going to click on the three dots and you're going to say stop recording. So you'll click on stop recording. It'll ask you, are you sure? You say yes, and then you're no longer recording yourself. You can take your time and you can either just basically stop sharing here, go down here to the bit here and just click on end meeting. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to click end meeting. It's going to ask you, do you want to end the meeting for all? You're going to go yes, and there you go. You've stopped that. Now obviously I'm going to turn that off. Now the third part of this little training is to tell you or explain to you how to access the recording. Now once you've hit stop recording, Zoom starts to compile the video recording for you and to make it ready to be seen, and you're going to get a message on screen to show that it's ready once it's there. If you record to the cloud, that message is going to come to you via an email, and so you're just going to go to your email and you're going to just click on the link in there that they provide, and it will take you straight to their website and you can then look at the recording there. I'm just going to go straight to the website because it's just as easy to do that, and it's zoom.us. Up here in the browser, put in zoom.us, hit enter, and make sure you're logged in. And if you're logged in, you can basically just click on your account, go straight over here to recordings, click on recordings, and it's going to show you your recording that you've finished. Now you can click on this and it'll pop up and you can watch the video there just to check that everything's all right, or you can come over here to where it says more and you can download your files. Now because Zoom provides some storage space for your files, but not a lot, so you'll run out of space quite quickly. So it's really important that you come back here on a regular basis and clean these files out. So I always just come in here, I download the files, and if you click download the files, it's going to drop it into whatever area for your computer that your downloads go. And for me, I can go down here and I can click on the arrow and I can say show in Finder. It's going to show me where my videos are. You may have a different type of an operating system and it might be different, but it's wherever your computer stores the downloaded files. Once you've downloaded them, you can click delete and then you're pretty much finished with that side of things. The last thing that you need to do, of course, is once you've downloaded your files, is that you then need to put them wherever it is that you need to put them so that people can access them, the people that you want to share them with. So you may choose to share them on Dropbox or Google Drive, or you might upload them to YouTube or Facebook or LinkedIn or Vimeo, or wherever it is you're going to put those that video. Just go ahead and upload it to that and then share that link with people so that they know where to access your pre-recorded webinar. You may even choose to put it on your website, wherever it's appropriate for you. So I hope that's been useful. Click subscribe to be notified about any more videos like that as we upload them. And I hope you have a fantastic day. I'm Trudy Rankin from West Island Digital.